It's going to be a lot of information in the next 4.5 hours. We are one of the only US manufacturers, epoxy companies, that actually makes our own product. I'm going to spread back and forth like a typewriter. I'm going to angle down so I'm moving this. So it's 100% solid. So if I have 16 mils wet, I will also have 16 mils dry.
Took the course, it was a great course. Caleb did a great job going in full detail about everything we need to know.
He did a great job of taking you from what's epoxy to when can I set my first job in a small manner of time, so I would highly recommend the class.